In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your chats on WhatsApp. So to delete all of your chats on WhatsApp, this is a simple thing to do and you can do it in one click. So to do this, what you need to do is first of all open up WhatsApp. Once you open up WhatsApp, you will be on this page here where all of your chats are displayed. And from here, what you need to do is click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three dots option, you can now click on the settings tab. Once you click on settings, you'll get all of these options here. So you've got account, chats, notifications, storage and data, and the help tab. So in today's video, the one we will need is the chats option. Once you click on that, you can scroll down until you see chat history. Once you see chat history, you can select that. And then once you select chat history, as you can see, there is a couple of options, and right down there at the bottom, there is now an option to delete all chats. If you click on delete all chats, what that will do is it will bring up this pop-up here, and it will ask you if you are sure you want to delete all of your messages and chats. So if you are happy with this, what you can do is click on the delete button. Once you click on delete, as you can see, it will ask you to wait a moment, and then once that has finished, your chats will then be deleted on WhatsApp. So it's just that simple, guys, to delete your chats on WhatsApp. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.